Introducing NPM's automatic Rotary Airjet Cleaning Machine, a GMP-compliant solution for high-speed, dust-free bottle cleaning. With automatic bottle loading and unloading, bottles are held and inverted by a precision carousel wheel for effective cleaning. Adjustable cleaning nozzles use positive compressed air pressure and suction through an inbuilt blower, ensuring thorough cleaning inside every bottle. The continuous rotary motion guarantees fast and efficient cleaning at higher speeds. A 20-micron filter bag captures dust particles during vacuum operation, maintaining a clean process environment. Smart optional interlocks protect performance with auto stop for low air pressure, bottle jams or empty in feed conveyors. Suitable for round bottles, the system delivers up to 150 bottles per minute. NPM Machinery Private Limited, presently futuristic.